How to share Google Calendar appointment slots. The first thing you want to do once on your Google Calendar, you're going to select the date that you would like to create the appointment on. And you can also select the time. So let's say, for example, between 10 and 11. Then you're going to add in a title. But before doing that, you could tap on Appointment Schedule right here. After selecting Appointment Schedule, right where you see Add Availability to Existing Schedule, you can also see that I have a name for an appointment that I had created earlier. You could tap on the pencil, and from there you could change the appointment name. You can also set up the duration of the appointment by tapping right there. You can also choose whether you would like it to repeat. If you would like it to repeat, you can tap on Repeat Weekly, or you could tap on Custom and choose the specific days or time that you would like it to be repeated below. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to scroll down, and from there you can tap on Appointment Settings, and from here you can see different settings feature. For example, you can set up a buffer time, and you can also set up the maximum amount of days that persons have before they can book an appointment, and then you can tap on Next. Once everything is finished, you'll just tap on Save, and once it has been saved, all you'll need to do now, you'll tap on the appointment. Then you're going to see the option Share. You can tap on Share. Then from there you can copy the link. You can also choose to tap on Website Embed if it is a case that you would like to embed the calendar onto your website. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.